Hello. Today we would like to discuss a new hypothesis about the concept of infinity in mathematics and how this concept may affect our thoughts about the existence of God. This hypothesis, based on mathematics, brings a different perspective to the unanswered questions in the universe through the acceptance of infinite possibilities. This hypothesis first asks the following question. If infinity exists in mathematics, and mathematics is the language of the universe, can we use this concept to explain the functioning of the universe and beyond? There is the concept of infinity in mathematics, and it has been proven. If we can accept infinity mathematically, how can this acceptance be useful to us when looking for answers to questions that have not yet been answered? Let's clarify our hypothesis at this point. It is important to understand that mathematically all possibilities can exist within an infinite set. Because there are no limits, we're talking about eternity. In this case, wouldn't any possibility of existence eliminate all possibilities of non-existence, for the questions regarding the entire universe and beyond have not yet been answered? Let's explain. In other words, since there is no answer yet, the possibilities of a question, both yes and no, are included in this infinite set. On the other hand, even a single possibility of existence within this infinite set can eliminate all possibilities of non-existence. So what happens if we apply this result to the question humanity most wants to know? What would be the result if we ask the question, does God exist or not, and use this approach to find the answer? If we seek an answer to this question within this mathematical framework, a view that says there is absolutely no God will become completely erroneous. Mathematically, the infinite set of possibilities we can create for questions that do not yet have answers covers everything, and it makes it impossible to completely rule out the possibility of any phenomenon existing. Therefore, it is not mathematically consistent to claim definitively that God does not exist. However, how to evaluate this mathematical framework in a philosophical and scientific context is a different matter. At this stage, the philosophy of atheism, which states that there is no God, is generally based on philosophical, scientific, and epistemological arguments, and takes into account many factors other than mathematical possibilities. There are also hypotheses and philosophical arguments similar to the infinite possibility hypothesis. For example, Blaise Pascal's Pascal's wager, which argues that it is logical to believe in the existence of God, agnosticism, which argues that we cannot say what God is or does not exist, David Lewis's modal realism, and Hugh Everett's many worlds interpretation in quantum mechanics. These approaches are parallel to the idea that infinite possibilities include the possibility of any event occurring. As a result, based on the existence of the concept of infinity in mathematics, when it is accepted that there may be infinite possibilities in the universe and beyond, it is impossible to say with certainty that there is no God. This mathematical interpretation shows that infinite possibilities include the possibility of any event and outcome occurring. Thinking about and discussing this hypothesis, it can help us develop different perspectives on big questions in the universe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to our channel and follow us to watch videos of such interesting hypotheses and thoughts about the universe and life.